He walks into the store with one mission: buy milk. One item, 5 minutes. What could possibly go wrong? Look at that tiny list. Just milk. He truly believes he is still in control. Then the store gives him a trolley big enough to move apartments. Completely necessary. He enters the first aisle, and the milk is already nowhere in sight. Suddenly, every sign starts shouting, low prices, rollback, save more, limited time. Basically, stop thinking. Then he reaches the snack aisle, the most dangerous place for someone with no plan. Do I need these chips? Probably. One harmless bag enters the trolley, still completely under control. 5 seconds later, snacks are flying in from every direction. The trolley has awakened. And the milk? Naturally, it lives at the very back, behind every temptation in the store. Now he is holding electronics while checking a list that still says only milk. At this point, he is not shopping. The trolley is shopping. He is only supervising. The trolley gets heavier. His wallet gets lighter. There is no turning back now. Finally, the milk appears. Mission accomplished? Technically, yes. Financially, no. Checkout begins, and the scanner makes the most expensive sound in the world. $247.83 for milk. Allegedly. Then comes the receipt, a written confession of every bad decision. And there he stands, holding the milk, facing the truth. This was supposed to be a one-item trip.